Mike live on the track, boy.
Hey babes, it's your fave Dream with another hair video. In this video I will demonstrate how I style my hair in an updo with the Outre Pineapple Ponytail in the style Softie color S430. I started with stretched hair from braids I had in for 2 weeks.
Mike live on the track, boy.
So first, I spray my hair with rice water and massage it into my scalp to help me detangle my hair. Using rice water is optional. After I've detangled and gathered my hair up into a high ponytail, I add gel and use my brush to smooth out my bun. Once I've finished my bun, I lay my edges with more gel and an edge comb. Then I tie my hair down and I'm off to bed. Okay, so it's the next morning. I'm going to put my makeup on, then I'm going to attach this hairpiece to my bun, style it, and go. I love this. This is dope right here. I don't have to do anything to this hair. I literally just put this thing on and go. Like, if this ain't the real definition of get up and go hair, girl. Yes. Yes, y'all. All right, girls. That is all she wrote for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. All right, guys? Don't be scared. Give this video a thumbs up. Come on. I gotta go to work. Bye.